Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Docs or Sheets. Choose a blank file or a template that matches your goal. Name the file and move it into the correct folder so version history stays organized. Once done, set sharing permissions. Give specific people edit, comment, or view access, because collaboration is central. Make sure to turn on offline mode if you might lose internet, and create a quick outline or sheet structure before adding heavy content. Next, build your content with structure and data connections. In Docs, apply headings and the outline pane so long documents remain navigable. Use comments and suggestions for collaborative editing. In Sheets, create clear headers, freeze top rows, and use formulas such as SUM, average, and VLOOKUP to summarize data. Once your sheet data is shaped, insert charts or copy ranges as linked objects into Docs so updates flow through automatically. This keeps narrative and numbers synchronized for accurate reporting. To finish, run a final review. Check version history, accept or resolve suggestions, and confirm styles and page breaks. Export the document or spreadsheet to PDF, Word, or XLSX for distribution, and verify print layout when necessary. Once finalized, double-check sharing settings so recipients have correct access. If something goes wrong, relink broken embedded ranges or charts, confirm shared permissions, and inspect formula ranges. These fixes resolve most sync or access issues quickly, keeping your deliverable intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.